Let's see, will I find tweakers or bikers? Or biker tweakers? Vote now in the comment section, biker or tweaker. And there it is, the flowing waters of the San Gabriel River. How about that right there? Is that some tweaker action? Aw, man, I hate climbing right here. It always feels like I'm gonna step on some gravel and slip. Well, you can see right there, lots of encampments. Man, this thing flows way more than the Coyote Creek. The Coyote Creek's like a drainage tributary. This is a proper river. I guess this water's some of this water's coming all the way from the mountains. This will be a nice snapshot. Then way up there's the another abandoned railroad track bridge that used to have the Red Line Railroad. But I think that's partially dismantled. And maybe about, I don't know, 7 or 8 miles that way, the ocean. There they are. The encampments on the San Gabriel River. One hour and 26 minutes, 17%. What happened? What about recording? Damn, there's all these eyes watching. Well, now I'm just going to come back here a lot and record. There it is. Oh, that's why. They're associated with that encampment right there. The guy in the black right there, the guy without the bike, he's the one who said, stop recording. He could easily catch up to me if he wanted to. Whoa, he's yelling something at me. Right there, the guy in the black. He's yelling something. Or maybe he's not. Maybe he's just yelling at his friends. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Then that guy right there is recording me. He's got me on the phone. He's got me. See that guy in the... I'll come back. He chases me. I'm gonna push him off of his bike and run. Yeah, look. I don't think he's coming.
Route 173.
Okay, anyways, that was the San Gabriel River. And as usual, I'm going on the faith that a tweaker doesn't have a gun. Because if they had a gun, they'd sell it for more, you know, spent or whatever. Okay, and I guess he's not following me. So that's the end of the San Gabriel River video.